Hey guys, and welcome back to another video where today we're back playing GMod, and today I'm actually pretty excited. Why am I spawning in mattresses? And today I'm actually pretty excited because if we go here, I have received my own custom OC. Yes, for actually a while now, I have been working with another mod/game developer to actually put this into the game. This is my own request, and yeah, after several months of work, it is finally done, and I am real excited to try it out. So yeah, without further ado, let's spawn it in. I already know all of his mechanics because, yeah, I'm the one who wrote the mechanics in the first place, but yeah. The first phase is a floating head. He plays this like weird ambience when you spawn him, and he has 75,000 health. In this phase, he doesn't just float towards you like other characters, like the meatball. And yeah, he says freeze whenever he spots an enemy. Yeah, he doesn't float toward you. Instead, he just teleports every now and then. Step, step, step. Yeah, instead of moving around normally, he just teleports. And when he's on half health, he will begin spitting ice cubes, which is actually pretty interesting. But once he is killed, like Funny Fear, he will turn into his final form, or second phase. But for now, let's just check out the first phase. It's always hostile, and yeah, here it is teleporting. Oh! Yeah, it kind of gets stuck from time to time. And then it jumps, yeah, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, he teleports in a more faster and shorter fashion whenever he isn't chasing anything, but yeah. He bites you. And that's one of his 2 attacks in his first phase. Here he goes. Chomp and dead. Yeah. That's pretty much all he does when he isn't on half health. But let's lower him now. I can't get him. He's too fast for me. Yeah. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. I had to stop him so that I can actually lower his health. There we go. Now it's time to watch him spit ice cubes at me. Oh, there we go. Here are the ice cubes. They deal 90 damage. Yeah, he's pretty interesting. Let's try to get him to spit ice cubes at me again. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, yeah, they deal like 10 damage. Yep. Let's try to kill him now. And the moment you kill him, he turns into a second phase where he's a giant and kicks you. Yeah, I'm gonna despawn him for now. So, you guys just saw what happened there. Whenever you kill phase 1, like when he reaches 0 health, he will die and respawn in his second phase. And he summons in this, like, blue fog around him, which is pretty damn awesome. And whenever he hits, like, an enemy or anything, he will freeze them temporarily and change their color, which is pretty awesome. Ugh, weird back. This is the second creature that has a weird back, actually. Look at this. Yeah, in his second phase, he actually gains a body of sorts, which is pretty awesome, and he still has 75,000 health. His attacks include a kick, a stomp, a slap, a punch, a headbutt, and a bite. That's 6, which is pretty damn awesome. Anyways, let's let him loose. Oh, here he comes. He has a special sound for stepping too. Oh my god. And yeah, all of his attacks insta-kill, which is pretty damn awesome. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, just kill me. Let me actually get another character to lower my health so we can see his execution. By the way, the first phase doesn't really have an execution, he just bites you, and that's just about it. Let's see here. Ow. God damn it. I can't get him to do it, what the hell? Yeah, it might take a while, but yeah. And this one, when he's on half health, instead of spitting ice cubes, he has snow breath or frost breath, which is pretty cool. Let me get him to do it. Okay, his health is now way below half, so he should do his little frost breath attack now. Ow, oh my god. That deals so much damage. Ah! Oh my god, dude. Come on, man. Ow. Yeah, there's no way you're surviving this guy with no, like, modded weapons. And speaking of modded weapons, I now have all of the M9K weapons, which is pretty damn awesome. And when you kill the second phase, he doesn't respawn, he just dies. Poof, gone. Yeah. Now that we have showcased all of his mechanics, it's time to put him up against some creatures. Let's get the first phase, just so that it's fair. Oh, ooh, what's inside of him? That looks pretty spooky. Oh, and you can, like, see through his eyes a little bit, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, yeah, time to put him up against some creatures. Let's get a whole bunch of siren heads to begin with. I think this is a bit too many. Yeah, I think that this will definitely kill him. So we're just gonna get not as many. Let's go. Alright, off we go. He's in there. They're doing a bunch of damage. Okay, he killed 2. 3. Okay, yeah, he's killing him. Alright, he's doing good. Alright. One more. Yeah. The Siren Head Slayer. Let's go. He just spins around in a circle from time to time, too. Not sure why he does that. But yeah, pretty damn cool. Let's spawn him back in because we're gonna make him fight some OCs. Alrighty then, Joe. I challenge you to a very legal fight. Let's go. No chance. Let's spawn in the standing one. Wow. Standing one is actually surviving. Not like it matters though, I think that he's dying. Yeah, definitely. The banana has damage reduction. Oh, and dead. Nice. So Joe can easily be killed by my own OC, or me, if you will. Alright, let's spawn him back in. How about Funny Fear? Seems like a good idea. Bite. Wow, he didn't even get to transform and he's dead. Pretty interesting stuff. Yeah, now his little roar sound is gonna stick around for a while. Alright, let's spawn him back in. We've been recording for 8 minutes. Ooh, how about Honor? Yeah, I actually think that Honor will have a pretty good chance of actually slaying me. Let's give it a go. Yep, kicking me up into the air. Wow, I'm knocking him back. Ah! Oh, he's insane. Oh, that's not good. Oh, no. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, that sucks. Oh, wait, no, I'm in the second phase now. Let's go. Oh, but I'm getting kicked into oblivion. Not like it matters. Come on. Do something. He's in his second phase. Come on. Yeah, freeze him. Oh, okay. He can defeat both phases. Nice. I'm just gonna stop the sound. Alright. Yeah, it kinda sucks. Honor killed me. Alright, let's get him back again. Quasar, let's go. I think I'll be able to kill her. Oh yeah, she has a ton of damage reduction. Never mind, I take it back. I think that she might be able to kill me. Oh yeah, and she's healing. Alright, there I go. Oh well. I'm actually kind of weak. Let's get back in. Next up we have the cartoon lion. Come on, shooter birdie, let's go. Oh no, I'm taking so much damage from his effect. That is no fair. Oh, hey, look, I did it. I defeated Shooter Birdie. Oh well, let's delete him now. Alright. Now, in case you may or may not know this already, BlizzardSpawn is the straight opposite of the Hexapod Giants, which basically means that he loves water and hates fire. I do happen to have a flamethrower with me, so let's test it out. Yeah. Oh well. By the way, this creature loves to roam mountains. Let's get our normal blizzard spawn again. And let's put him up against some dark siren heads. Let's go! Alright, off we go. Oh, they might do it. They might just do it. Oh no. He keeps on turning around, planning his next move. Okay, well, 2 are gone. That's not enough. 41,000 health. Okay, firing ice cubes. Oh. Oh, they did it! No, they didn't. I might get back into my second phase. Oh no, I won't get back into my second phase because they executed me. Damn. Alright, so a whole bunch of Dark Siren Heads can do the trick if you're looking for a way to kill this NPC. Alright, let's spawn him back in. How about some giants? How about we put him up against some giants? Probably not the meatball though. Yeah, let's get... No, not the Hexapod. Yeah, we'll just start off with breaking news, and then we'll work our way up. Does he care? Okay, he definitely cares now. Oh crap. Wow, I'm dealing a bunch of damage. I might be able to do it. He's getting low. Hey, would you look at that? I did it. Oh, now I'm going after the other breaking news. There he goes. Yeah, I can defeat breaking news. Alright, let's spawn him back in. Let's see what other giants he can slay. How about a pre-update to day 17? Let's go. Oh no, I'm going after the worm. God damn it. Alright, off we go. Day 17 is doing literally nothing. Now I'm just teleporting in place. Oh, well, this is gonna be pretty slow. God damn it. Yeah, that's a bit of a glitch. He just starts teleporting and never reaches his target. Yeah, I don't know why he does this. He's on 20,000, 17,000 health. Alright. I'm about to slay day 17. God damn it. Why does this happen to me? Come on. Why? Come on. And dead. Nice. Day 17 down. Let's move up a notch. Alright, let's get blizzard spawn again. Let's try day 18. Yeah, I instantly want to kill him. Let's go. Wow, he can teleport far. Come on. Come on. Does he even care? Oh, I think he cares now. Alright, off we go. Fair battle, fair battle. He is doing a ton of damage to me. 49,000 health. Yeah, I think I'll be able to take him down, no doubt. Alright, off we go. He's really angry now, and he's firing lasers. He doesn't seem to be interested in battling anymore, which is kind of unfortunate. Come on. Hate me. Yeah, this isn't really a fair battle anymore since he's not interested in fighting. He's given up. He doesn't want to fight me anymore. Oh, well, I guess I'm gonna just kill him in a second anyway. There we go. Day 18 down. Nice. Let's move it up a notch. How about remain indoors? Let's go. Yeah, the downside to this is that he's just gonna throw lasers, which is kind of a disadvantage. But yeah. Oh, they are hitting me though. They don't do much. 22,000 health. Wow, those lasers are hitting me. This one might actually be able to do it, maybe. Oh no, never mind. And remain indoors is dead. Nice. And those lasers are gonna miss. Alright. Remain indoors down. Let's move it up a notch to a creature that I think can actually kill me. Alright, how about sky tentacles? Alright. Yeah, 50,000 tough, that's good. Let's go. Barrage of lasers incoming. I am doing a ton of damage though. He is too. I have a feeling that I'll be able to do it. Oh, there's the thing. Okay, he's about to transform. Not like it matters. I think that he'll die from it. Yep. Alright then. Final form couldn't do it. Is he still alive though? Oh god damn it. That was so close. That was so close. Oh, whatever. Let's spawn him back in. Alright. Who do we have next? I'm guessing we can do the web kraken up next. Let's go. 45,000. Oh, this seems like it's a pretty fair battle. Alright. $12,000. I'm on 61,000. 3,000. 1,000 and dead. Alright. Web cracking down. Now I'm just gonna spin around. Alright. Stop sound. Let's get BlizzardSpawn again. Who can he go up against? I mean, there's only one more giant that we can test. Oh no, there's two more giants. How about the 20th century boy? Let's go. Alright. Oh, he's spawning in dogs. Let's free them. One's after me. Am I gonna be able to kill it? That's dead. And now back to the actual threats. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, that killed me. Am I gonna transform? Oh, alright! Final form time! I'm just going after all the other cartoon dogs. Hey, threats over there, me. I don't think he cares. Come on. Kill it. Alright, now he cares. Okay, now he doesn't care. He's running away. God damn it, get back. Get back here right now. Alright, off we go. Alright, off we go. Oh, he's not interested though. That sucks. There's a stomp attack, which freezes enemies. As you can see, it turns them blue. Look at that, frozen. Easy peasy. Frozen again. I think I'm actually gonna be able to kill it. There I go. Nice. Okay, Sky Screamer down. Let's just remove it. Okay, now there's only one more giant. Let's get it. It's Behemoth. Actually, wait, no, it's Birdwatcher. 2 more giants. I don't know what I'm doing. Yep, let's get Birdwatcher. Alright, off we go. Oh, this seems pretty fair. Yeah, it actually seems really fair. Oh, I think Birdwatcher will do it. But we'll see. Shooting ice cubes. Not like that's gonna help. Oh! First phase down. Second phase is here. Doesn't seem like he cares. Yeah, he doesn't care whatsoever. Oh, there we go. Birdwatcher down. Nice. Let's remove him now. It's not the sound. Alright. Let's do Behemoth now, which is obviously gonna kill me. Here he is. Let's go. They don't mind each other. Let's grab them. Oh, off we go. Behemoth's interested in a fight. Alright. Oh, crud. He's dealing tons of damage. 1,000,000 health versus 75,000? Alright, first phase is almost gone. I'm doing nothing. Now he's probably uninterested, which kind of sucks, but let's try anyway. Yeah, he looks completely uninterested, but I'm gonna try to make him interested. Let's pull him far away. Let's pull myself far away. Let's go up. Let's turn him around. Actually, he can stay it like that. And then let's let him spot him. No, not interested? Okay. Yeah. If he's uninterested, then I'm obviously gonna win. But I want him to be interested. How about I possess him? Oh, he's frozen. Yeah, I'm just gonna possess him for this one. Oh, I can't. I can't do it when I'm frozen. Alright, I'm just gonna whack him over and over again, since that's all I can do. While we wait to see if I can defeat the strongest monster in the game. Which is gonna be a while. Oh crap, I keep on getting frozen. It's not good. Oh, off we go. Oh, there's that. Frost breath. Yeah, let's try hitting him again. Alright, off we go. Yay! Alright, Behemoth can do it. I mean, I was kind of controlling Behemoth there, but yeah. Let's spawn a few. There we go, that's enough. How about we put him up against the Hexapod Giants? Let's get only one of them, though. I'm gonna try to get this guy to fight Joe's creatures. Let's start off with the Hexapod Giant. Fire Giant versus Ice Monster. Alright! And we're done. Alright, I can defeat the Hexapod Giant. Let's try some other creatures now. Probably not the meatball, since he might crash my game, but YOLO, let's do it anyway. Who even says YOLO anymore? Let's go. Alright! Meatball down. Pretty damn awesome if you ask me. Let's get BlizzardSpawn again. I should probably disable him. Great Mother Megaphone. Most recent Joe creature. Ah! Not like that's gonna help. Okay. Wow. Alright, that might help. She's gonna slowly teleport. Alright, off we go. Yeah, not like that's gonna work on BlizzardSpawn because he can teleport. He's not attacking you though. How about I just hold him? Alright. Shooting ice spikes. Oh crap, they're kicking her up into the air. Alright, getting ready to spawn in monsters. Oh, up into the air she goes. Alright. About to turn into the second phase. Alright. Hey, I did it! That's awesome. Okay, so BlizzardSpawn can defeat the Great Mother Megaphone, which is pretty damn cool. Alright, let's get the Train Eater now. Let's go. Just biting each other. This looks weird. Oh, come on. Come on, the killing move. Alright. Done. Ice cubes did the trick. Okay, so I think that's all of Joe's creatures. Yeah, nice. 28 minutes I've been recording for. Yeah. So, I think that is just about the end of this video. We have reviewed all of his mechanics, and we put him up against a whole bunch of creatures too, which is absolutely awesome. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. It is completely free, and it helps me out a lot. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. This was really fun to record. Goodbye.